When it comes to flashing an SD card and prepping it with an OS image for Raspberry Pi, no other tool even comes close to Etcher. You can get to Etcher by typing in etcher.io in a browser, and that should land you on the Etcher homepage. It is by far the easiest and most simple tool to get the job done. Etcher essentially allows us to select an image we want to flash on our card and click on the flash button, and it takes it over from there. It then would format the card for you if it is not empty, copy the corresponding image, and then verify it was successfully transferred. The process only takes a few clicks and you are done. Etcher also makes it error-proof so that you don't select your hard drive that has your operating system installed on it to flash. It will only allow you to select USB drives or any SD cards that were inserted into your PC or laptop in order to flash, and that's a great safety mechanism. Let's go ahead and install the Etcher software. The installation process is extremely straightforward. I have a Mac, so I get the default option to download from Mac OS. If you click on this drop-down link here, you'll see different options for different OS distributions. So for example, if you're running a Windows 64-bit machine, you can select the first installer link, which would give you the exe file to install Etcher. Also, if you're running a Linux machine, there are options for you to install the Etcher software as well. For Mac users, the process is extremely straightforward. Go ahead and click on Download for Mac OS. You can save this anywhere on your system. Once you double-click the DMG file, you just drag and drop it to your Applications folder and you are done. So no matter what operating system you're running, Mac OS, Windows or Linux, is a version of Etcher that can be installed. So go ahead, and I would highly recommend you install Etcher for flashing the SD cards for your Raspberry Pi.